Well, let's begin. It's the second day of the Prime Minister's visit to the pole-bound state of Bihar. As far as the Prime Minister, who landed in Patna last evening, held a massive roadshow right from the Patna airport to the state BJP headquarters, where he met local leaders and party karyakartas in what is now being seen as a big pep talk ahead of the elections that would be taking place in few months from now. Prime Minister Modi today will be travelling to Bihar's Karakat, where he will be inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of series of development initiatives totaling more than 48,000 crores. Now, these projects span key sectors including infrastructure, energy, education and employment generation. Now, among the major projects is the foundation stone for the stage 2 of the Nabinagar super thermal power plant that would be inaugurated in Aurangabad. Meanwhile, speaking when he was in the state of West Bengal, the Prime Minister has sent out a strong reminder to Pakistan, saying that India has struck Pakistan on 3 occasions deep inside its territory. He's also declared that Operation Sindoor is not over yet.
साथियों, आज जब सिंदूर खेला की इस धरती पर आया हूं, तो आतंकवाद को लेकर भारत के नए संकल्प की चर्चा स्वाभाविक है। और पाकिस्तान समझ ले, 3 बार घर में घुस करके मारा है तुम्हें। बंगाल टाइगर की इस धरती से 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का ऐलान है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है।
Speaking of the Prime Minister's much-awaited visit also to Uttar Pradesh in the last leg of his 2-day visit to 4 states, the Prime Minister is also likely to meet the family who were affected because of the Pahalgam terror attack. The family of Shubham Dwivedi, who was among those 26 terrorists who were shot, tourists who were shot dead by terrorists on the 22nd of April. Just like in Patna, the streets of Kanpur are also decked up with posters and banners hailing the forces and the Prime Minister for the success of Operation Sindoor. Let's connect with Adeep, who is joining us live. Show us across, Adeep, the pictures that are now coming in welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, definitely, Amita, let me show you the visuals where this is the place where Prime Minister Modi will be coming in Kanpur. Here he is going to address the massive gathering, and also he is going to meet the family members of Shubham Dwivedi, who is the terror victim of Pahalgam. And let me show you in the visuals that the kind of posters that have been placed across the venue, and the poster with the Prime Minister photograph of Operation Sindoor and the Indian Air Force aircrafts. The poster reads, "Ye naya भारत है, दुश्मन को घर में घुसकर मारता है." And there are several more posters. In fact, there's one more poster of Prime Minister Modi along with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, which reads, "Operation Sindoor की अपार सफलता के पश्चात विश्व के सर्वाधिक नेता लोकप्रिय नेता नरेंद्र मोदी का कानपुर आगमन पर स्वागत है." Again, there are multiple posters of Prime Minister Modi hailing the success of Operation Sindoor, that how the Operation Sindoor was a massive success, and now the Prime Minister Modi is coming to the first time in Kanpur after the success of Operation Sindoor. Kanpur is an important place as the Shubham Dwivedi, who was the victim of the terror attack in Pahalgam, was a resident of Kanpur, and now his family has confirmed that 3 members of his family will be meeting Prime Minister Modi once he lands at the Chakeri airport in Kanpur. The 3 members which will be meeting Prime Minister Modi is Rajesh Dwivedi. He is the father of Shubham Dwivedi, the mother of Shubham.
And terror attack and mitti mein mila denge, that was the promise that was made by the Prime Minister just before Operation Sindoor was launched. And post the Operation Sindoor, we also had a word with the family in concern as we speak of Shubham Dwivedi, his family, his wife. The conversation that was had on the very same day with India launched precision strikes on Pakistan's terror dens. This is the conversation our group editor-in-chief Navika Kumar had with Shubham's wife. Listen in.
आपको लगता है कि बस सोते हुए जब एक अलग दुनिया में पाकिस्तान था, जिस तरह से ये किया गया प्रिसीजन अटैक, यही शायद जवाब है 22 अप्रैल का।
बिल्कुल यही जवाब है मैम। वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने लोगों को बस 5 सेकंड में मार दिया, धर्म पूछ के मार दिया। उनकी कितनों की तो पैंट उतार के उन्हें मारा है, चेक करके कि वो कौन है, क्या है, हिंदू है, मुसलमान है। उन्होंने कुछ भी अपने अंदर इतनी भी इंसानियत नहीं छोड़ी। ये हैवान है, उन्होंने हैवानियत दिखाई और इनका बदला ऐसे ही लिया जाना चाहिए था जिस तरीके से बदला लिया गया है।
कुछ लोग जो कह रहे थे कि आतंक का धर्म नहीं होता, आप मानती हैं आतंक का धर्म नहीं है?
मैंने पहले भी कहा आतंक का धर्म नहीं है, मैं किसी धर्म के अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट मेरा क्वेश्चन सिर्फ ये एक आता है, मैं खुद से भी पूछती हूँ, मैं हर इंसान से पूछती हूँ, मैं सबसे पूछती हूँ, मैं आपसे भी पूछती हूँ, आतंकवाद का धर्म नहीं है, लेकिन ये हमेशा एक ही धर्म से क्यों आते हैं? बस मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है। मेरा किसी धर्म से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं खुद में बहुत मुस्लिम्स को जानती हूँ, शुभम के मुस्लिम बहुत दोस्त हैं, मेरे को उनसे दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत बड़ा है कि हमेशा वो एक ही धर्म से आते हैं।
This retaliation today, will it reduce the pain?
It definitely will. The way this attack happened, it will reduce the pain. It will not end the pain. Nothing can heal this pain. Nothing can heal this. But हाँ ये है कि those 26 lives now will rest in peace. Now we as family know कि the person जो हमारी फैमिली से गया है वो सिर्फ ऐसे ही नहीं चला गया, वो एक ये करके गया है कि अब शायद आतंकवादियों का हिम्मत नहीं होगा हमें वापस मारने का। आज शुभम गए हैं, कल कोई और शुभम नहीं जाएगा, इस वजह से नहीं जाएगा शायद।
बहुत बड़ी बात आप कह रही हैं। और ये जो ऑपरेशन का नाम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है, आपको लगता है कि वाकई सिंदूर का बदला था ये?
इट्स वेरी पर्सनल। ये जो नाम उन्होंने दिया है, दिस ओनली प्रूव्स कि वो हमसे पर्सनल लेवल पे कनेक्ट होकर हमारा पर्सनल बदला लेके आए। वो हमारे देश में जितनी भी औरतें अब आज अपने हस्बैंड्स को खो चुकी हैं, उनके लिए वो बदला लेके आए। मुझे तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है मेरे घर का कोई इंसान जाके बदला लेके आया मेरे लिए।
ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का नाम प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने दिया था, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है। आज क्या महसूस कर रही हैं?
उन्हीं के अंदर शायद इतने इमोशंस हैं कि वो हम सबका इंडिविजुअल पेन समझ पाए और उन्होंने इस ऑपरेशन का ये नाम रखा। ये वही कर सकते थे। ये इतने पर्सनल लेवल पे इतना पर्सनल नाम देना, ये तभी किसी के अंदर आएगा जब वो हमसे उस लेवल पे कनेक्ट होगा। शायद मोदी जी के अंदर इतना है कि वो हमसे पर्सनल लेवल पे कनेक्ट होके उन्होंने ये नाम रखा। रियली थैंकफुल टू एवरीवन हूसोएवर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, ऑल द आर्म फोर्सेस। थैंक यू, आपने ये जो हम लोगों के लिए किया है, थैंक यू सो मच।
Well, speaking of the Prime Minister's program today, we've accessed his full day-long itinerary, especially when later in the day when he would be visiting Uttar Pradesh and in Kanpur, where the Prime Minister would be there this afternoon, where he would be visiting the Chakeri Air Force Station, followed by a meeting with Shubham's family. And after that, the Prime Minister will be arriving at the Chandrasekhar Azad University, where he will be addressing a public gathering at around close to 3 p.m. Well, this looks like a full packed day for the Prime Minister, Radeep, for the today's schedule as far as his UP visit is concerned.
Will definitely, Amita, see Prime Minister Modi is in Bihar today. After completing his Bihar visit, he'll be coming to Uttar Pradesh in Kanpur at around, what we are learning is that at around 2 p.m. he'll be landing in Uttar Pradesh, and after that he'll be meeting with the family members of Shubham Dwivedi, and after that Prime Minister Modi will be directly coming to this particular university where he's going to address a massive gathering. The Prime Minister Modi is going to give a massive development push to the state of Uttar Pradesh and especially Kanpur. If you talk about the elevated metro routes and the other projects in Kanpur. And there are multiple projects across the Uttar Pradesh for which the Prime Minister Modi will be laying the stone foundation and also inaugurating these projects. These projects are worth of around a couple of thousand crores. So it's a massive development push for the Uttar Pradesh and the Kanpur city. And Prime Minister Modi will be spending around 2.5 hours in Uttar Pradesh, where he'll be interacting with the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also be accompanying Prime Minister Modi once he arrives in Uttar Pradesh, and a massive development push for the state of Uttar Pradesh and a very significant visit of Prime Minister Modi here in Kanpur, Amita.
All right, we'll keep an eye out as far as today's developments are concerned. Prime Minister Modi there in Bihar. Later in the day, he's expected to visit Uttar Pradesh, especially in Kanpur. Thank you very much, Adeep, for the moment for joining in.